We've just acquired this beautiful low mileage Mercedes C-Class AMG diesel. It's the limited edition sport edition. It's got front and rear park distance control with camera. The wheels are just about to be refurbished, so ignore them, the car has just arrived. The bodywork and the interior is absolutely lovely. Car drives stunning. It's got the rear spoiler, which the limited edition does. It's got the rear park distance control. It's a 220 CDI. Service history is with Mercedes, and then we're just going to do it. And new MOT. The boot area is lovely. Back seats do come down. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Limited edition half leather interior, Alcantara with white and blue stitch piping. Stunning. Just start the car up. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats. It's done 34,767 miles. Climate control air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, automatic headlights. It's got Bluetooth connectivity and full media pack. It is absolutely lovely. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.